In the lush, vibrant heart of Whispering Woods lived a small yellow bird named Pip. Unlike the other birds who filled the dawn air with beautiful melodies, Pip could only manage a tiny, uncertain squeak whenever she tried to join the forest chorus. "Your voice is too weak and squeaky," the blue jays would mock. "No one can even hear you over the breeze," the sparrows would tease, fluttering their wings dismissively. Each morning, Pip would perch silently on her favorite branch, listening wistfully as others filled the forest with their songs. How she longed to sing with them. The weight of her silence grew heavier with each passing day. One peaceful evening, Pip sat alone with her thoughts. A wise old owl named Elm glided down silently, settling on the branch beside her. "Why do you look so troubled, little one?" Elm asked, his deep voice gentle and kind. "I can't sing like the others," Pip replied, hanging her head. "My voice isn't strong or beautiful enough. Everyone laughs when I try." Elm blinked his large, knowing eyes slowly. "Have you ever tried singing just for yourself, not to impress or please others?" Pip looked up, puzzled. "What do you mean?" "Find a quiet place where no one can hear you. Sing what's in your heart, not what you think others want to hear," Elm advised. The next morning, Pip flew to a hidden clearing deep in the forest, far from any judging ears. Nervous at first, she remembered Elm's words and closed her eyes. She took a deep breath and simply opened her beak, letting her feelings flow freely. To her surprise, a sweet, clear melody emerged. It wasn't loud like the blue jays or complex like the nightingales. It was gentle and pure, perfectly uniquely Pip. Each day after that, she returned to her secret spot to practice. With every note, her confidence grew stronger, her voice more certain. Then came the great storm that shook the entire forest. Every bird fell silent, too frightened to make a sound. When the storm finally passed, the forest remained strangely quiet. The birds were still too shaken to sing. Then, a soft, clear song rose through the stillness. It was Pip, singing about courage and hope after darkness. Her voice carried through the damp air, reaching every corner of Whispering Woods. One by one, other birds joined her song. Together, they created the most beautiful harmony the forest had ever known. "We never knew you could sing like that," said a robin in wonder afterward. "I didn't know either," Pip smiled, "until I believed in myself." From that day forward, Pip led the morning songs in Whispering Woods. Her voice wasn't the loudest or the most complex, but it came straight from her heart, and that made it special in a way no other could match. The forest learned an important truth that day. Real confidence comes from within, not from the approval of others, and every voice, no matter how different, thus its own unique beauty to share with the world. And that was the end of the story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Bye-bye.